What is Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP? Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, is a platform companies use to manage and integrate the essential parts of their businesses. Many ERP software applications are critical to companies because they help them implement resource planning by integrating all the processes needed to run their companies with a single system. An ERP software system can also integrate planning, purchasing, inventory, sales, marketing, finance, human resources, and more. You can think of an enterprise resource planning system as the glue that binds together the different computer systems for a large organization. Without an ERP application, each department would have its system optimized for its specific tasks. With ERP software, each department still has its system, but all of the systems can be accessed through one application with one interface. How enterprise resource planning platforms work. Typically, an ERP system is developed, maintained, and upgraded by a software service provider. Customers then subscribe to the platform and select the ERP applications they wish to integrate into their enterprise management system. Once an agreement is reached, the relevant applications are deployed on the customer's server, followed by the integration of existing processes and data into the platform. Once all departments are tied into the system, all data is collected on the server and becomes instantly available to those with permission to use it. Reports can be generated with metrics, graphs, or other visuals and aids a client might need to determine how the business and its departments are performing. Types of ERP systems. On-premise ERP. The term on-premise refers to the operation of hardware or software locally, meaning the business purchases a software license and installs the ERP system directly on the company's internal servers, rather than running it on leased servers managed by the software provider. In this setup, the business retains full control over its data, access rights, and the ability to customize and deeply integrate features into its existing system. Cloud ERP. Cloud ERP systems are hosted on remote servers and accessed through the internet. Cloud ERPs offer better scalability, allowing businesses to easily adjust resources and features as needed without significant upfront investment in hardware. Industry-specific ERP. Industry-specific ERP systems are tailored to meet the unique needs and requirements of particular industries. These systems often include industry-specific modules, functionalities, and best practices to address the complexities of the industry. Open source ERP. An open source ERP system, or any open source software, for that matter, provides users with access to the source code. This means a company can customize, modify, or redistribute the ERP to better meet the company's needs. Small business ERP. Small business ERP systems are designed specifically for the needs of small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs. This approach is often tailored to balance three key factors simultaneously: specialization for a specific market niche, provision of essential core functionalities for resource management, more affordable costs. Tiered ERP. Tiered ERP systems offer different levels of functionality and scalability to cater to businesses of varying sizes and complexity. Companies can choose the tier that best matches their current needs and budget. Common ERP modules. Supply chain management. Through an ERP system, you can track every sale from initial order to delivery and ensure you manage every disruption or risk without jeopardizing your customers' trust. Inventory management. This ERP functionality tracks all information on how much inventory and stock you have on hand in real time, automate inventory transactions, accurately track, forecast sales, and quickly make new procurement orders. Financial management. Pulling together figures, revenue management, and financial tracking. This ERP module helps you stay ahead of your business' evolving financial situation. Production management. This critical ERP feature set plans and controls all aspects of manufacturing, from storing batch lists to analyzing production line efficiency. Reporting and analytics. Powerful analytics tools enable you to track key performance indicators, KPIs, identify opportunities for improvement, and make quicker, data-driven decisions. Quality control. An ERP can help by automating checks and identifying deviations from your internal standards. This ensures consistent quality that meets customer demands, sustains revenue, and upholds brand reputation. Benefits of ERP. Improves accuracy and productivity. Integrating and automating business processes eliminates redundancies and improves accuracy and productivity. In addition, departments with interconnected processes can synchronize work to achieve faster and better outcomes. Improves reporting. Once fully operational, data reporting is comprehensively and seamlessly optimized, delivering accurate and complete results. This empowers businesses to plan, balance budgets, forecast, and effectively communicate information to leadership or stakeholders. Increases efficiency. ERPs allow businesses to quickly access needed information for clients, vendors, and business partners. This contributes to improved customer and employee satisfaction, quicker response rates, and increased accuracy rates. In addition, associated costs often decrease as the company operates more efficiently. Increases collaboration. Thanks to ERP's ability to synchronize data and workflows, different departments gain greater opportunities for collaboration and knowledge sharing. Streamlining interdepartmental processes within the organization also enhances productivity and employee satisfaction. ERP weaknesses. In many cases, the inability to fully leverage ERP stems from challenges businesses face in adapting to new technology or abandoning outdated processes and methods. Therefore, to prevent such negative scenarios, companies must carefully assess the risks and feasibility of integrating new technology into their existing workflows. Tips for choosing an ERP system. Scalability, customizability, integration capability, user-friendly interface, mobile accessibility, security features, data analytics capability, support and maintenance, total cost of ownership.